So if that doesn't work on Outlook on your computer, what I would suggest is, okay, the next one we have is from Fitness Mom 55 from Facebook. She asks, my Outlook won't send or receive any messages. Outlook is sometimes a challenge as well. First one I would do for Outlook is to try to, again, close the application and open it back up. My Outlook runs typically on the local desktop, and the new versions of Outlook are web-based. So it's just basically a web page to your Outlook, no longer the standard applications that we used to use back in the enterprise for the past 30 years. So if that doesn't work on Outlook on your computer, what I would suggest is opening up your web browser and go out to outlook.microsoft.com. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.